Hey guys, Anthony from Maatouks Race Engineering, MRE, and quick update from the last video. We've been working flat chat as always for GTR Festival. Customers getting ready, cars getting built. We're going to have an army of cars there, probably 30 to 40 cars there from Maatouks Racing. MRE side, full steam ahead. We just made some lightweight covers, of course, for Robert Marjan. So we made it probably half the weight of our normal ones. We also made them their trigger kits with their own names on them, because why would you want anyone else's company name on your engine bay when you build it? About to make the four-wheel drive sums, billet sums, and expect that to be at GTR Festival, and we're full steam ahead. This is RH7, Ibi's car, Ibn Arjan. This is the car that went to Raw Racing and won it 7 or 8 times in a row. Everyone that keeps asking, where's Anthony Maatouks? I'm here, mate. I'm either fishing or building cars. The next Raw Racing, we're going to be there. We're going to do some test and tuning for GTR Festival. I'm coming out with RH7, RR King, H8MEE, Tempe's R34, Possessed. Just a couple of them to name. It's all about having some fun and maybe stop the boys from walking around with microphones. Too many microphones getting walked around in the pits. This car has now been upgraded. This car used to run a cast block when it was winning Raw Racing. It was still running a cast block. We're now going billet block and a 3.4 litre and a little bit bigger turbo. How big? You're never going to know. A couple of more 100 horsepower and hopefully we can keep it straight. So he ran 770 I think 4 or 5 years ago. Cars block, no carbon. Now it's a billet, 3.4, bigger turbo. I don't think he cares about drag racing. I think he's supposed to take his wife out and kids, maybe get some donuts and coffee. If everyone misses us at Raw Racing, we're going to come and say hi. We have Sam from Carnked Motorsport's R32 behind us on for a quick golf check before GTR Festival. This car's already gone 690 on its first meeting at 205 or 8 or something like that, I can't remember. We'll be racing in Pro Street. Sam's driving it. I'm off driving duties, so it should be interesting. Again, one of our proven packages that make 1,500, probably mid sixes hopefully. Obviously billet block, catalyst crank, BMA pistons and rods, and one of our race head packages. MRE, everything called curl kit, rock covers, trigger kit, block off plates. It's got a Haltech Nexus which runs the whole car. Ours race coach over 400. Tell active to a 6-second package is exactly what you get, man. When you go from 7s or 6s, the only difference between 7s and 6s is obviously how fast I want to go. So if I want to run like mid 7s, you just have a steel rodded engine, a small turbo, probably a 91mm on it, and it's a mid 7-second car. If you want to go to the next stage, then it involves aluminium rods and 100mm turbo, 98mm turbo, 94mm turbo. All of it's good enough to go low 7s, and then how deep in the 6s you want to go. This is GTR WPN, Aaron Stubbs' car. This has been around for many years, I think 3 or 4 or 5 years now we built this car. This is probably the only true street R32 GTR in the world which runs a 6-second pass on a 255 tyre and has no carbon in sight. So it remains all factory panels, all factory guards, all factory doors, the wing, everything is OEM, R32 Nissan. Except obviously the running gear. This car did win GTR Festival in 2024. It's gone 690 at 207 or 208 miles an hour. It weighs, with Aaron Stubbs, I think 700 kilos. So it makes a lot of power and it's reliable. It does laps. Obviously it comes out once a year now at GTR Festival. So we've just given it a quick freshen up. New set of rods in it. And we're ready for GTR Festival to make some noise. This car this year, we have just made a change. After my accident, we've decided that nearly that makes 2,000 horsepower plus, especially being an automatic car, needs to be a dry deck. This car used to be a wet deck, so this car used to run a normal water pump. So now we've deleted that, we've made it a dry deck, just for a bit of safety. I can't afford to damage or hurt my mate Aaron. So we've gone dry deck. It runs catalyst crank, BMA pistons and rods, bullet engineering, billet block. It runs on of our race heads. It runs MRE, everything, obviously being Aaron's car. He's a test dummy, so we put it all in his car, make sure it all works. When it works, we start selling it. It runs 106mm turbo, ours race garage turbo 400, and the Haltech catalog. So it's not that hard to go fast, man. It's fucking copy, paste. He just goes happy to go do burnouts and just do some laps. He doesn't really care how fast he goes. I'm the one that cares for him. So he tells me there's a lot of power. I know it's not much, it should be okay. And he goes out and goes 6 years and he goes, that was scary. So it was all good. He's a good driver, he listens, and we go with 690, 680. I can push it a bit harder now, that's dry deck, so it should be fun.
I'm a trendsetter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a trendsetter. Okay.
This is Chris's car. We just finished recently. No one places at all because I hate him. You know, the car's been finished, finalised. It's in the final stage of tuning, so we can go and give it a couple of squirts at roll racing in Sydney before we go GTR Festival, send it down the track. You can't get any better. It's got Mido 3.4 litre stroker in it. It's got one of our head packages. Again, a big turbo, Haltech. It's got an Albin sequential in it. This combo has been proven. We run 780, 770 in it in our sequential cars. Again, by just with a bit auto salon and a bit cuter. Some people might like it, some people might hate it. All jokes aside, looks beautiful. It runs everything MRE, L trigger kit, L coil kit, L covers, L can gears, L alternator bracket, hybrid tune inlet, hybrid tune cooler, 6 boost manifold, Hollinger div, drive shaft, shop drive shafts, and Haltech everything else. Chris wants to go roll racing. He obviously wants to go around a 7 in it, which should be pretty easy, hopefully. It's got a roll cage, so we can actually chase it. I'm not sure how far he wants to go, but you never know. IHM, you never know. He might come for you.
MR Engineering GTR Festival returns to Sydney Dragway on May 22nd and 23rd for another giant celebration of all things GTR and Nissan. This year marks the 10th anniversary of the event, so the celebration will be bigger than ever. There'll be a top 10 GTR Elite display, 10k cash and prizes for roll racing, 10k prize money for drag racing, new top 10 Ultimate GTR competition. There will be 10 new builds unveiled and 10 special guests including Hiroshi Tamura, Mr. Carbon Fiber Sakamoto, Mickey Andrade, Mighty Car Mods, Street Alpha Podcast, Shipbox Garage, and more big announcements still to come. After last year's Show and Shine and Traders Alleys sold out, we have made it even bigger for 2026, so expect to see even more great performance parts, merchandise, and epic cars on display. The event is open to all models of Nissan of all levels of modification, from rare and collector GTRs to 2,000 horsepower monsters. From drift to time attack to sex spec, from old school Princes and Datsuns to new Zeds, from S chassis to Pulsars to Nissan Patrols. You can enter your car to display and hang out, or hit the track for COTS roll racing on Friday and then drag racing, both street and competition class, as well as Motorcana on Saturday. Want to take on Godzilla? Well, we let some imposters come to play too, with twin-turbo Lambos, Evos, Rotaries, and more. Expect to see some Pro Mod special guests. There is also so much to see and do for all car enthusiasts and families alike. Drift rides, oil down entertainment, fireworks both Friday and Saturday night, kids rides, food trucks, and the Drifters vs Burnouts competition. 2026 MR Engineering GTR Festival Australia, powered by Motive Video and presented by Cars from Japan, HKS, Fitzner Performance Gearboxes, High Octane Racing, and Carnked Motorsport, is set to be massive. Grab your car entry to display or race and your VIP tickets now before they sell out, as well as discounted online spectator tickets. GTRfestival.com.
GTR Festival.